This is over 30 powerful PowerShell commands in under 10 minutes. We might even be able to get it in 5 minutes. So if you do not know, you need to go to search, type in PowerShell, right click it, and run as administrator to make sure you have smooth sailing in all of your PowerShell commands. The first one we will get into is the get location. And all that command does is tell you what your current working directory is. Okay? The next one we will do is get help. And what get help does is it tells you what a given PowerShell command does in complete detail. Very good. Next, we'll go into get module, and we will do list available. Okay. Now, what this does, available. Make sure I don't spell it incorrectly. Okay. This shows all modules that are available on the system and ready for import and use. Okay. Next up, we got get hotfix. Get hotfix lists all installed Windows updates and hot fixes. Okay, look at all these. I'm probably going to dox myself, so like the video and subscribe for me doxing myself for you guys. Okay, next command we have is get process, and this tells you all the running processes with CPU, memory, and other usage details. Look at that. Goodness me. All right, now let's do get computer info, and you guys can guess a few of these. Okay, looks like I need to install something in order to run it properly. This is a new host for me. There you go. Excellent. Let's see about get event log name system. Now what does this do? This displays the specified event log entries such as application, system, or security. We're going to do Control C to stop that because it would probably go on forever. Okay. Next up command we have is get net IP configuration. This one, it lists network adapter configuration details, like the IP address and everything. I'm going to skip entering that one. Okay. We are going to dox ourselves a few times, but maybe we can stop some specific DOSes. Okay, now you see we have get PS drive, and the get PS drive, it displays their usage information that includes used and free space. So there you have it. Look at that. HKey current user, some registry. It looks like we have 211 free gigabytes. Okay, I need to update that. Too much Call of Duty. Listen, if you saw the new Call of Duty, that thing was what? I think it was 400 gigabytes. Ridiculous. Okay, let's do get local user for our next one. And you can see there's administrator. That's not enabled, so it's false, right? So there's all these specifics for the names, enabled, and description, etc. Okay, let's go through with, oh, here we go, terminate a process. So let's not actually terminate a process right now, but we can do this. You would put the name here and the process name. So whatever process you want to stop, you would type this in and then actually put the process name in the little, I'm blanking on that, the greater than and equal than signs. Okay, not brackets, but if you know, you know. Okay, let's go ahead and go to start a service. So start a service would be this service, start service. This is like a speed run right now. So it would be the same thing as like stopping a service. Okay, so it would look like that. So start service, tac name, flag name, and then the service name. Stopping a service, restarting a service would be the same, except you would say restart the service instead. Then we can do, okay, yeah, this is a good one. Monitor CPU usage. So we can do get WMI object when 32 underscore processor type measure object property load percentage. I just took some notes over here on the side for speed's sake, if that's what you're wondering. And average. Let's see what it looks like. Count 1, average is 4, and the property is flood percentage. Okay, cool. Let's do the system's MAC address. Should I show that? Absolutely. Okay, this is for the people. I care about you guys. Get net adapter. Perfect. And we will pipe select object name MAC address. And as you can guess, you can change that MAC address to multiple things. But there you have it, the MAC address for the Ethernet, Bluetooth, and my VMware network adapters. Okay, I'm doing this for you guys. We can also clear Windows event logs. I actually do not want to do that, but I'll show you what the command for that is. How are we on time? Okay, we'll do, go ahead and pipe for each object, and then webUtil CL $, underscore, boom, and there you have it. Okay, again, that is clear Windows event log. Let's go ahead and list all installed applications. Item property KLM, and go software. I think I moved this folder since then, but let's see. Software. Wow, 6432 node Microsoft. Let's see, current version. Make sure. Oops. Current version. Uninstall. And we're going to wildcard. Pipe select object display name, comma, and display version. And display. Oh, right. Okay. Let's see, what does it say? Get out of proper cannot find path. Oh, right. Yeah. See, my path has changed since then, but you would just specify the given path. People, we're going to keep it going. Exporting system information. That's a really good one. Computer info, and we are doing out file path, right? We're going to specify where we want the file to go. I cannot go to my desktop either because something is being created there that I don't want to sneak peek. But here we have it. Loading adapter, and we do not get any type of error, so we have effectively put our computer information into a file in the path system, in our C drive, and it's called systeminfo.txt. Okay, create a new local user. We don't have the time. Let's go ahead and check Windows firewall status. We'll do get net firewall profile. Let's see. Boom, there you go. Now you guys know exactly how to destroy me. Okay, let's see, private, private, public. Look at this. This is how much I care about it. Okay, restart a remoting computer. We can go ahead and do that just in case you guys are curious. Restarting a remote computer. Name, and then your remote computer name would go in here. Computer. Doesn't even matter if we spell it wrong because it's just a placeholder. But there you go. That would restart a remote computer. Of course, all you'd have to do is put the computer name within those little greater than equals. Okay, and let's do this one. Let's do an invoke command. That's a good one, usually indicative of some type of suspicious, malicious activity, but not always. And we will do remote computer name script. Ooh, not scropt. That wouldn't be good, huh? Block, and we'll do the given command. Oops. The given command would be in there. And again, that just runs a command on a remote service, okay? Invoke command, and you'd put the computer, the computer name in there, and then the script block going into it. And then let's go ahead and generate a list of installed drivers. This will be our last one. We're going to do the buzzer beater, shot clock, cheese, object, win, 32. If you're still here, give the video a like, you guys. Come on, we're doing this. We're doing this. PMP signed, not signer, signed driver. We're going to select object device name. We don't need all this, but let's go ahead and do it. Manufacturer. Boom. There you have it. That is generate a list of installed drivers. Just in case you need to know, maybe something is out of date, maybe you're trying to troubleshoot something, but there you have it, folks. I don't know the exact time on this because I had to restart it a few times and the recording time's not the same. But give the video a like, subscribe, share with all your friends, coworkers, grandmas, grandpas, cousins, nephews. Poke me on Facebook. Don't do that. I'm not on Facebook, but I do have an account. You can see all the links in the description as well as the merchandise. Feel free to support on Patreon, join the YouTube membership. We're just going to keep it going. See you guys in the next one.